What's up, what's up, what's up? I've been doing beard videos in a really long time, but like I had to stop back by and show y'all like this one particular shampoo that I'm using right now after going to the swimming pool all day. It's been like a very amazing shampoo. And the shampoo has like no alcohols in it, which is like extremely rare. I've been able to really like detangle and get in there like really easy. I'm looking forward to seeing how it's gonna feel, you know, once it's all said and done and everything like that. Once I get all the shampoo all through there. But man, this doggone it's Cantù Shea Butter Sulfate Cleansing Cream Shampoo. This is hitting pretty nicely, man. Like I look forward to seeing like how things are, you know, going for me real soon with this, because this is really cold. Like it says in here, no sulfates, no silicones, no alcohol, no mineral oil. It's like everything glycol, all that stuff that normally dries your beard out. Like this is like really hitting. I'm enjoying this. Peace. Well, real talk, y'all. That Cantù shampoo, it kind of a little bit like too squeaky clean. So I'm gonna have to go in there with some shea butter, get everything right. You know, my wife snatched just a whole container of shea butter out of here. Babe, can you bring some of the shea butter back in the bathroom, please? Thank you. As you can see, this is a shea butter household. Yeah, y'all, basically, I'm gonna put some in the beard and fill y'all in on one little secret that helps out to retain your beard growth. Yeah. Thank you. I just want a little bit. Yeah, so I'm not gonna eat that much, but I'm using not this much. Oh. And so yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, put some in here. You don't want to necessarily build up, but you know, the shea butter Cantù shampoo, like once I finished working with it, I really kind of felt like my entire beard was just like squeaky clean, you know what I mean? And if you got like really curly beard or whatever like that, you know what I'm saying? Like at every point where you got a curl is a potential breaking point. So honestly, like once it was that clean, I was like, man, you know what? Like this thing needs to be moisturized because it felt so clean. It was like squeaky clean, like scary clean. You know, you put any time in your beard, man, you don't want to keep retaining your growth. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to that little tip, man. I was gonna let y'all know about. And that's, man, a lot of ladies know this, a lot of guys might not know it, but like the quicker you can double strand twist any part of your hair, and I don't care if it's a really short twist like this big, but just like get yourself some shea butter, you know, deal with your hair when it's wet, don't deal with it when it's dry, prone to break, you know, so fool with it once you get up out the shower and everything like that. And what you want to do is after you get that shea butter in there, it doesn't even have to be after washing it. You could just, you know what I'm saying, before you go to sleep or whatever, because a lot of people are on that beard do-rag stuff and, you know, sleeping and covering it up and all that. But I've noticed that the longer my beard has gotten, the double strand, which women call protective styling, you know, you'll see a lot of women, you know, go through braids and go through twists, and a lot of times it's not a style thing. I mean, yeah, it's a style thing, but what they're doing is they're doing something to their hair, and like you see, I'm just double strand twisting it. The tighter you do this, the tougher it can be to take it down, or if we leave it up too long, it could also cause some breakage at the end. So a lot of women roll their ends, but what I'm just trying to get at is that if you just double strand twist your beard, and you ain't gotta have a long beard like mine, even if your stuff is like this short, like the quicker you can get to a double strand twist is like, and then get a routine out of it. One thing it's gonna do is gonna keep your beard straight, so it doesn't, you know, you can show off your growth and your length as much as possible. But it'll also allow you to really kind of go to sleep with more more peace of mind that it ain't breaking off, and that, you know what I'm saying? Because the funny thing, man, about curly beards and thick beards and stuff like that is that it's not, sometimes it is not growing. It's just that sometimes you're not retaining the length that you actually have. That's what I've learned. So I just, you know, I've honestly got quite spiritual and religious about my habit around twisting, you know, which is a protective style. You're protecting it from breaking so that you can retain your length. And like I'm saying, go hop on any woman's channel about protecting their growth, and you're gonna hear them talk about protective styling. You know what I mean? And that's all you gotta do. I mean, obviously, like, you could probably be like, oh, it's easy for you to say your beard's already long, but like, you can go back 6 years ago on the channel and see me talking about beard braiding results. You know, when it was short, I used to braid, and I kept braiding a whole lot until I got with my wife, and my wife was like, she was twisting so quick, and she was twisting, and the hair was staying like twisted. Like, I used to think that if you twisted your hair, it wouldn't stay, which is why I used to deal with, you know, braids all the time. But like, it takes a lot more effort to take a braid down than it takes a twist. I could untwist this, you know, in a matter of seconds. You know, I go to the end, you know, down here, and just untwist it. I mean, you can see an opening right there that I found where I can untwist it, but I wouldn't recommend you untwist it unless your hair is wet. Don't deal with your hair unless it's wet, or you're asking for breakage, which is basically like saying, like, I don't care about these months and months of work that I've done. So that's that, man. Shea butter and the Cantù shea butter shampoo, which was pretty fire. I mean, I wouldn't do it a lot because it was definitely keeping it clean, but like I said earlier, we went swimming, so my wife was really adamant about us getting all that chlorine and stuff about your hair and stuff, so thought I'd do a beard video real quick, man. I wonder if there's still any people on the channel that, you know, were listening to beard content and all that like that. I know I shifted the channel quite a bit to a musical channel, but I was thinking about the roots, the foundation of, you know, the channel and everything like that. And I was thinking maybe I do have a little bit more beard content left in me, you know what I mean? So here we go. Peace.